name Nakri was very attractive to me. I wanted to make sure that I'm part of the day program for today. And of course, I also had a chance to browse through your book and pick up a few interesting things there. And so it is natural that I should be here. I've just started in Mosti. Previously, I used to take care of national unity, make sure that people are off the street, they don't fight against each other. My job was to keep that. Council PM said, help me to keep this country together. And being a multiracial country, of course, we have all that not many countries in the world have to offer. The multiculturalism. So that was a big job, but I only had 4 agencies to take care. And the Mosti is 25, excluding some councils to chair. And just Parliament is starting next week, and Parliament now is going to be a good place for debate with a sizable. I started in the opposition, in my career in politics, and I think our biggest number was 47 in 99. But after that it was just small numbers, and today it's 42 versus it's 40 versus 82. So I know I said mostly be one of the agencies that that the public want to have a look at it in deeper, especially among the members of Parliament. So I said I better finish all the agencies before Parliament starts next Monday. So I've been doing my rounds to know where we are and where we ought to go. And from that I had a very good idea, I think, where we ought to be going. So after this I'm going to the chemistry department, the last 4 agencies that I need to do at 11:30. So anyway, I value masa yang ada pada kita pada hari ini untuk berinteraksi di bawah tema yang begitu penting sekali, Creativity and Innovation Day 2008, dan peluncuran buku yang telah pun ditulis oleh Mahathir Motivasi. Saya juga mau mengucapkan setinggi-tinggi tanya kepada Nakri, 1 year old and about 1,600 members. Tugasi was telling me just now, he got registered under the ROS in 3 months, and they are already out and going. So just want to congratulate the group, and of course for this special program today. Dan juga mengatakan terima kasih dan tinggi-tinggi tahniah pada sokongan yang diberi oleh Menara Kuala Lumpur, di mana terletak Museum Telekom, dan bersama-sama mengajuk majlis untuk meraihkan Creativity dan Innovation Day ini dengan kerjasama Open University Malaysia. Saya difahamkan Hari Creativity dan Inovasi ini telah pun diraihkan lebih daripada 50 buah negara di seluruh dunia sejak 6 tahun yang lalu. This is our first major launch in this area, and I would certainly have to say congratulations again. I'm sure it's going to be a path-breaking initiative that will go from a small beginning like this. This is already a major step, and that you would expand and fulfill the objectives of the association. Saya yakin perkongsian pintar di antara pihak korporat, NGO dan universiti ini akan dijadikan sebagai model yang baik kepada masyarakat. Dia bukan saja dapat menjimatkan masa perbelanjaan, malah kita dapat berkongsi pendapat, bertukar fikiran, dan really to stimulate creativity and innovation in the community. Dan sentiasa menyokong usaha-usaha ke arah mempromosikan budaya creativity dan inovasi di kalangan semua peringkat dalam masyarakat. Usaha seperti ini seharusnya dijalankan di peringkat akar bumi, yang disebut tadi, tanpa mengira umur, keturunan, kepercayaan, dan even I think the level of economic development. Saya yakin dan percaya jika kreativitas dan inovasi ini terus dijadikan budaya hidup rakyat, kita akan pasti dapat memenuhi aspirasi negara untuk mencapai wawasan 2020. This in this context that after visited the half of the agencies 2 weeks ago, I announced the intention of the ministry to form what I call the National Innovation Foundation, because as I observe the functions and as I